Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everyone. Today we're diving into the critical world of spectrum monitoring in the telecommunication industry with a special focus on Malaysia. So before we begin, let me introduce to our expert team. Me, myself, Azhar bin Aziz, and my colleagues, Syarif Zaman bin Ahmad Sabaruddin, Amirul Adha Sulaiman, Abdullah Yan Kunji Muhammad, and Sarifatin Hatizi binti Mimah Huzairi. As we witness the rapid expansion of global digital connectivity with 5G and IoT, and also cloud computing at the forefront, the management of the electromagnetic spectrum has never been more crucial ever. So effective spectrum monitoring is the backbone of smooth telecommunications. It prevents interference and optimizes usage, ensuring that our increasingly connected world runs without a hitch. In Malaysia, the Malaysian Communications and Multimedia Commissions, or MCMC, takes on this vital responsibility. However, they face significant challenges. One of the key issues is the sheer scale of the task. The MCMC needs to monitor over 1 million telecommunication infrastructure spread across the nation. Imagine that. These operate in a variety of terrains and conditions, from bustling cities to remote rural areas. Join us as we explore these challenges and discuss potential solutions for effective spectrum monitoring in Malaysia's diverse landscape.
For today, we would like to highlight the key challenges faced in spectrum monitoring in this country. As we know, spectrum scarcity is a significant issue. With the rapid growth of mobile and wireless technologies, the demand for spectrum has surged, leading to congestion and limited availability for new services. Additionally, interference management on the spectrum poses a challenge. Regulators must ensure that different spectrum users do not interfere with each other. For this, it requires sophisticated monitoring and enforcement mechanisms. Furthermore, the transition to 5G introduced complexities, with the migration from older networks to 5G involved the optimal management of new frequency bands and ensuring compatibility with existing services. Lastly, regulatory compliance is crucial. Monitoring and enforcing compliance with spectrum regulation is essential to prevent unauthorized use and ensure fair access to all. Addressing these challenges is vital for the continued growth and efficiency of Malaysia's telecommunications infrastructure.
To tackle this challenge, we are proposing the use of drone technology. Drones can easily navigate through difficult terrains, minimizing the needs for personnel to operate in hazardous areas. By eliminating the need for permanent ground based stations, drones also reduce operational costs. Their flexibility allows them to monitor the spectrum at different altitudes, ensuring precise and comprehensive data collection. Whether in urban environments or remote rural areas where traditional systems often fall short.
This technology aligns closely with several sustainable development goals. There are four that we will look into today. For instance, the first one is the SDG 9, which focuses on industry, innovation, and infrastructure, is supported through more efficient telecommunications monitoring. Secondly, the SDG 12, promoting responsible consumption, is addressed by reducing the environmental impact of spectrum monitoring through fewer personnel deployments. Thirdly, the SDG 16 emphasizes peace and strong institutions is achieved by preventing unauthorized spectrum use. The fourth and the last one is SDG 17, promoting partnerships is advanced through collaborations between government, private sector, and technology providers.
In conclusion, the integration of drone technology into spectrum monitoring represents a significant advancement for the telecommunications industry. As we have highlighted, this approach not only addresses the challenges of accessing remote or hazardous areas, but also greatly enhances data accuracy, operational efficiency, and worker safety. Ultimately, embracing drone technology will allow Malaysia to stay at the forefront of telecommunication advancements while contributing to a more sustainable and resilient industry for the future. Thank you.